To preparing of before split to colony, make sure this stoop vertical to clean and no insect. And make sure again about this colony to other split to colony productive. Open the plastic to easily other split to colony. Early morning is the time is very good for the split to colony, but to recovery and the new boxes every long time day. And this is Queen laeviceef tetragronula. Don't touch the queen to your hand. For your info, tetragona laeviceef this is abductive and new location and also other the weather condition. That is very good. Don't forget take to be bred to guarantee other queen to launch after recovery the colony. One other tip is colony to success be splitting vertical colony. Make sure this other continent. It is necessary to unload the hole with ballpoint pen to ensure that the trigona colony can enter and exit. And don't forget to take to honey to productivity colony for the new stoop. And this is a split new colony to transferring vertical stoop to horizontal stoop. Enjoy in this video and don't forget to like. In this video, I'm gonna show about transferring tetragronula laeviceef to vertical hive to transferring to horizontal hive. So finally, to us not to fail in multiplying the colony, place the new stock in the old place, and vice versa. And this is classic the moment. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like.